Smart Culture, Mathematics.
What we'll do now is we'll take a look at the properties of angles associated with parallel lines. So before we start, let's take a look at two very important terms, one being a transversal. This is a line that passes through two lines in the same plane at two distinct points. Let's read this one more time. It is a line that passes through two lines in the same plane at two distinct points. What about parallel lines? Two lines are said to be parallel if they do not intersect when extended infinitely in both directions and the distance between the two lines is the same throughout. So it's very important that you know the difference between transversal and parallel lines. Let's move on. So what we'll do first is we'll take a look at corresponding angles. What are corresponding angles? Corresponding angles are angles that occupy the same relative position at each intersection where a straight line crosses two others. So here in the diagram, you can see an example of corresponding angles. Moving on to alternate interior angles. Now, these are angles that are formed when a transversal passes through two lines. So here in the diagram, you can see two examples of alternate interior angles. So the angles that are formed on opposite sides of the transversal and inside the two lines are called alternate interior angles. Let's learn about co-interior angles. Co-interior angles lie between two lines and on the same side of the transversal. If the two lines are parallel, then co-interior angles will add up to 180 degrees, and so we can say that they are supplementary. So let's take a look at the diagrams one more time. Here we have corresponding angles. Here we have alternate interior angles. And here we have co-interior angles. So it's very important that you understand the difference between corresponding angles, alternate interior angles, and co-interior angles.
For online tutoring or additional resources, visit our website, www.smartculture-education.com.
Subscribe down below. It's easy.